Hello, Panthers, and happy Monday. Let's get straight into your weekly announcements.
Hey you, are you bored and want to be a better artist? Then come on down to Art Club with Miss Largy, where she can teach you new art club activities or just have a good time with your friends. Every 12:30 and 1:30 at C47. That's the code. I've been early. Bye bye!
Hello Panthers to Hispanic Heritage Week. I'm glad to see so many of you participating in today's theme for dressing your attire. Tomorrow we want to score big with wearing our favorite soccer jerseys, so make sure you show out on your teams. On Wednesdays we want to do Si Se Puede, where we talk about going to college, so wear your favorite college shirt or sweater. On Thursdays we want to wear our favorite shirts of icons, Hispanic icons, to represent the culture. And on Friday we wear white to show our unity. Keep dressing out, come out to the lunchtime activities. We have our soccer matches on Thursdays and Fridays and other lunchtime activities under the pavilion.
Remember, Panthers, to be a leader on campus and in our community and show your pride. Model behaviors of perseverance, responsibility, integrity, determination, and excellence. Have a great day, Panthers. Panther pride, Panther nation, Panther proud.